Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I got my boy Carlos with here helping me change out my front bumper kidney grills. I'm going from chrome to black, gloss black I per se, because it looks so much better. Now today he's gonna be, I would do it, but it's kind of easy, but I guess I'll have him do it because I want to record a video today, so he's gonna help me with that. But this is how it looks right now, from chrome all the way to, and I got the part right here. He actually came in the mail a few days ago. So the double slated F30 black grills, gloss black grills, look so much better. I didn't want to get matte because I think matte kind of doesn't look as nice as gloss black, as I would say. So let's just get into this. So Carlos, you're the pro here, right? So for these screws right here at the top, are they T30? You said T30s, right?
No, the top ones are T25.
Okay.
They Star Island wrenches.
So there's 4 of these. You gotta take these 4
3
out.
on each
Oh yeah, 3. There's 3. So it's 6 in total. You gotta take all 6 of these out. I hope you guys can see it because the sun is in the way, but you gotta take all 6 of these out. And then that's for the top part of the grill. Take those. I suggest you take out the top ones first. And I'm sorry if the cars are too loud that's passing by, because I am kind of close to on the street, but these, I prefer you take these out first because it's easier, and then you can work your way down to these. Take out these 4 clips, tab thingies, whatever you thingamabobs you want to call them.
Now we got the top lift off. Put them away.
Oh my god, if I can't, it's gonna look so good getting these things out. I mean, I don't mind chrome, but I just honestly think just black looks so much better, especially on a gray color car. It just looks so much better in my opinion. Damn, I thought you looked like you was about to just let him slam on the floor the way you took him out. And like you was about to have to slam him on the floor because he took him out like that. Oh hell no. Finally, the masterpiece is halfway done. Oh. I would do a time lapse for this, but I mean, it's like a how-to video of DIY, so like a time lapse really would be kind of pointless.
All right, this is the thing I think. Always try to put the middle one. Why? Because it's straight and this is bent, so that way you could easy enough the way to put it on, and then we'll go around.
And make sure you hold it down so it doesn't like move around and like scatter, whatever. It's doing it right now, so just make sure you want to just hold that in place.
Like almost poking people's eyes out.
Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. Like poking people's eyes out. It's that serious.
Oh,
yo.
And then the problem is not that. The problem is that she has a white tee on.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So is this upside down? Like, is it I can't. Oh,
so you gotta find the position.
There we go.
Yeah, one side doesn't fit the same.
Yeah, and if don't worry about bending it, guys, because it's actually kind of flexible, so you can put the screws in place.
Yeah, with the heat and the cold, it'll form by itself. And
yeah, speaking of the cold, I wanted to tint the windows on this car. You think they got heat guns in there? You think they got heat guns in like their shop? Cause I honestly want to tint my windows like probably next week. Like I want to do it. I want to do it before it starts snowing.
Well, actually, you have to do it when it's hot. You can't do it when it's cold.
Damn, that's
why? Because it'll create too much bubbles on it.
So it's just better if I just wait. But what if it's like really hot? It's like a hot day and it's nice out.
Well, you can take advantage of it.
Yeah, man. Damn, guys, that would suck, man. I wanted to tint my windows before it starts snowing. Another thing, make sure you don't tighten these up all the way because it can mess up the I guess the harness, what you would say, inside of it. Yeah, because if you tighten it too tight,
pull it out.
Yeah, it won't. It'll be kind of messed up from the inside of the screw. You guys, check this out. Oh my lord, it already looks halfway good. This part, is it? Imagine I just rock the car like this. Like that would be kind of like, it would be different. That actually looks nice. Not even gonna lie. Like black part on top and then chrome right here. I would probably do that just to be, weird, but I'm probably not gonna do that. Yeah, that's yeah.
The rims are they're like a Mac rig. Carbon fiber type.
Oh, let me pop the hoodie.
All right, now we can start with this.
All right, so now we gotta start with the bottom.
Just pull this.
Sorry for my hand.
There's 2 pieces. You just put one piece off. The one that we actually take out.
Yeah.
These
now after you take off the rubber
are
pieces,
T30s,
T30s,
Star Allen. I'm just gonna pull them out so you can unclip it. That's the reason for it.
So Carlos, without me recording and doing all this for my video, how much time you think it'll take? Like 5 minutes, less than 5?
Yeah, about 5-10 minutes.
Because if I wasn't, I blame me because I'm recording. I told him I want to do a video on this because DIY. But I honestly think it'll probably take him probably 3 minutes max 3 minutes. Now after you get these 4 tabs off, you want to pull the bumper back a little bit, and there's clips on the bottom. What is it? I think it's like
in the bottom and the top and then
I can't. Another thing, you could use the new ones as a reference to where the tabs are. So he said there's 3 on the top. Oh, if this shit can stay still, there's 3 on the top. Right here, these 3, and then there's actually 3 on the bottom, but just make sure you use your new grills for reference so you don't have to be confused on how to get the old ones out. That's already on your car. I don't know if it's because it's cold, it's kind of harder to get out.
yeah, it's a little bit more.
If it was probably warmer, it'd be easier.
See, I leave that on so that way I could keep on clipping it.
Future reference, don't do this when it's cold because you will have a harder time getting it out.
Okay, I'm gonna show the trick. They have these clips. Instead of pushing it out, all you have to do is push these little clips inside. It'll come out easier.
Alright, now it's the grand finale. Well, kinda. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, it looks so good already. I can't wait to drive around with these. These are again F-Dow. What the fuck was that? F30 3 Series, the newer 3 Series grills, double slated. I guess you could say it's like M style front bumper grills, but they look, oh my god, it looks so good. Should I keep these?
Hell yeah.
Just just in case one of them breaks. Yeah. I think that's a good idea. I have an extra set. I'll probably keep it in the garage somewhere. Oh no, paper's flying away. Shit. Yeah, that's what I was about to do because I'm gonna keep.
They're good. They're not scratching nothing.
Yep. Nope. I could probably sell them too, if anything. And I think grills, those they won't. Oh my god, I can't wait to show you this. It looks so good. He already put the other one in. Damn. It already looks so much more modern. See, that's my goal for this car, to make it look so much more modern and look so much more pleasing to look at aesthetically wise and cosmetic wise. Because I don't just want to. I bought the car bone stock, so I want to do some modifications for it, make it look as nice as possibly as I can.
Want to have it ready so that way when you close it, we don't have to open it again.
Yeah. Hey. Make sure you just put everything back in place the same way you took it out. Put it right back in the same way. It's like a reverse type of thing. It's not that complicated. Make sure you don't. Again, make sure you do not tighten these up too tight because you don't want the pieces inside of it to break. And that'll be it's just a waste of time to just go get another one when you could have prevented it.
Okay. Okay. So the only thing that you gotta watch out is to make sure that the tips, just the tips, even out. Now, put the rubber pieces back on. This is a safeguard for the water. And it also acts as a cushion.
Yeah, that was it. And now for the final product. Oh my god, man. Damn it, get out the way, hurry up. Look at that. Oh man. You appreciate it, bro. You're so appreciated. This is why you have people to help you out, especially get your own mechanic, you know, help you out with a car. So that's all for today's guys installation. I wanted to bring it up in my previous video, but I guess I kind of forgot, but here it is now. So if you did like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want to give an opinion on the car, you can also leave a comment what you think, what I should do next, and I just leave it up to you guys. Until then, see you to the next one. Peace out.